In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Stripe feed to Xero. If you're looking to seamlessly integrate your Stripe transactions into your Xero account and save time on manual entry, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the process step by step to ensure you have a smooth and successful setup. First, you'll want to navigate to your Xero dashboard. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top bar where you'll see a number of options laid out in front of you. Click on Accounting from this bar. When you do, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu gives you access to a variety of accounting features and settings within Xero. From the drop-down menu, go ahead and click on Bank Accounts. This will take you to a page where you can manage your bank connections, review reconciliations, and, importantly for us today, add new accounts. Next, look for the option that says Add Bank Account and click on it. This is where you'll be able to find and integrate your Stripe account. You'll be directed to a new page that allows you to search for your bank or payment system. In the search bar, type Stripe. Xero will display a list of results based on your search. Select Stripe from this list, and Xero will provide you with instructions on how to connect the Stripe feed to your Xero system. It's designed to be straightforward, but I'm here to walk you through it so you have every reassurance. At this point, you'll need to sign in to your Stripe account. This step is crucial, as it allows Xero to retrieve the transaction information directly from Stripe. Ensure you have your Stripe login details at hand, email and password, so you can proceed without any hiccups. Once logged in, Stripe will prompt you to approve the connection to Xero. It's very secure, and this permission is essential for the integration to work. After confirming the connection, Stripe will link up with Xero, allowing the transaction feed to start syncing automatically. This integration means that every transaction processed through Stripe will be fed into Xero, keeping your records up to date without you having to lift a finger. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can now enjoy the convenience of having your Stripe transactions automatically imported into Xero, saving time and reducing the chance of manual errors. Keep this setup in mind whenever you need efficient transaction management between these two platforms. Thank you for watching, and I hope this session has been helpful. If you have any further questions about using Xero or Stripe, feel free to reach out, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tutorials.